Here's the crazy thing about banks. Our society lets them create money out of thin air. Lately, they have been abusing that privilege, and they have not been performing the basic service that was supposed to justify that privilege. You are not allowed to create money, of course, but banks are. When a bank loans you money, it simply writes an IOU. That functions exactly like money. Right now, banks are allowed to create up to 10 times the amount of money in IOUs than they actually have in assets. But recently, banks were up to 40 or even 50 times as much as their real assets. When a bank lends you money, let's say $10,000 to buy a car, you need to pay them back every month. And if you look at your statement, you'll see that you're really making two kinds of payments, principal and interest. The bank simply destroys your payment on the principal because that money never really existed in the first place. And I want to pause and ask you, how does that make you feel? You had to work a long time to earn that money, and the bank simply deletes it from existence. Your payment of interest, on the other hand, is the profit the bank makes on your loan. Wouldn't it be amazing if you could do this too? Imagine if you could write fake IOUs to all of your friends, and then they'd have to pay you back in real money. Well, you can't do that because no one would accept your IOUs as money. Therefore, they'd be useless to your friends. But everyone accepts bank IOUs, which is what happens every time you write a check.